Good morning and welcome to Moneyline Tips. Today we have 11 odds for you. And the first game we have here is a game in the Iceland division where Falek Reykjavik is taking on IF Vestry, and my prediction is home team win or draw, double chance. Then the next one we have is in Egypt where ZFC is taking on Fako FC, and my prediction is home team win or draw. Moving on, we have a game in Estonia where home Nome Coraggio is taking on JK Talena Kalaiva. My prediction is home team win at full time. Still in Estonia, we have a game between Paid taking on Panu JK, and my prediction here is home team win. And then also we move on to Egypt where Suma is taking on Daigla, and my prediction here is home team win at full time. We move on to Europe qualifier where Turkey is taking on Georgia, and my prediction here is home team win or draw. That is Turkey win at full time rather. And then the last game we have is a game between Portugal taking on Czech Republic, and my prediction is home team win at full time. That gives us total of 7 matches, 11 odds. So this is the booking code for those people using Sportsy. But if you want to join our VIP and win daily, where we give you a short to odds, 5 to 20 odds, kindly check my WhatsApp link in the comment section and chat me up. Always remember to bet responsibly. Thank you and stay safe.